There goes the engineer up to his...
There's Thomas. Jakey, what you think of that? Let me see. Jake, who is that? Who is that? It's Thomas.
Hi, Thomas.
Sarah?
Evan, hop down, baby.
He climbs everything he can get his hands on. Sarah, are you gonna ride Thomas?
Yes.
Help me with this, please. Hold my purse.
Okay.
Zigzag line, please. You're in it.
Jakey. There's Evan. Hey, Evan. Uh-oh. Jake's in love. It's almost our turn, Jake.
Ma'am, if you go to the track and...
There's a bunch of people that want to get a picture of Thomas.
Yeah. Grammy and Evan. Hello.
Look at it, Thomas.
Jakey.
We're going to get our picture made with Thomas.
We're going to take a picture, Jake. Sarah. Okay, not that close.
Hello.
Oh, sweet baby. Silly.
My turn.
Okay,
Line's moving.
here we go.
We're going to ride the train. Thomas, the train. That's right. Look here, Aunt Nellie. Look at Aunt Nellie up there. We're going to ride Thomas the train. Yeah. Would that be fun? You see yourself?
I don't
Can you see yourself in
understand.
there? Yeah. There's Evan. There's Evan.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Mama, look at that!
Big crane.
Yeah, wait, look.
Let's go, Jake.
Look at the conductor.
The conductor.
Oh,
Close to the train. Up against the train. Yeah, well, there'll be another line, so go ahead and get up against the train.
Jacob. Jacob.
Nathan.
Are you ready?
Jake, what you think, little man?
Evan, you want to come with me?
Jakey.
We're going to go all the way back here.
Okay, Jake. Is that a cool train? Yeah. Look at it. Let me see your shirt. Who's on your shirt? Who else? James? Percy?